Can't see anything in the dark? Let me show you a simple way to get night vision. No mods required. Works in Aternos. First, check whether your version is the latest or not. Then go to the software section and choose either Paper or Purpur. I recommend using Purpur because it supports the maximum number of plugins. After installing it, go to the plugin section and search for night vision. Make sure to select the correct one. Choose the second option, as the first one does not work. Once the plugin is installed, go back and start or restart your server. After launching the game, you will see that night vision is already enabled. But if you want to control it, you can do that using commands. First, to disable it, open the command and type /night vision gamma, then press enter. You will see that the night vision is now turned off. Then, to enable it again, type the same command /night vision gamma and press enter, and the night vision will be turned back on. If you want an easier command, you can open the command and type /gamma to enable it, and type /gamma again to disable it. That's it for today. If this helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more simple tutorials like this. See you in the next one. Take care.